Why do some southpaws seem to move with an almost supernatural grace, landing shots from impossible angles, while others just look clumsy and out of sync?
The answer has nothing to do with talent. The greats understood one thing the amateurs don't. They are not playing boxing. They are playing a different game entirely, a game of geometry. In this video, I'm giving you the rules to that game.
Rule number 1. The stance is a weapon. First, forget everything you think you know about your stance. It is not a neutral starting position. It is an offensive weapon designed to achieve one goal, the dominant outside angle.
Your stance isn't just a way to stand. It's a tool to constantly force the foot battle in your favor. Your lead, right foot, belongs outside your opponent's lead, left foot. This is your kingdom. From here, you are a king, and they are a peasant.
The drill, the T drill. Your only job is to keep your lead foot pointing at your opponent's center line, forming a T. Use small, constant circling steps to your right. Every time they move, you adjust to maintain this dominant T position. This is your new home.
Now that you have the dominant position, you must use your primary weapon.
Rule number 2. The left hand is a sniper rifle. Now that you have the dominant position, you must use your primary weapon.
Your straight left is not just a cross. It is the single most important punch in your arsenal. It is the logical conclusion of winning the foot battle.
Stop thinking of your left hand as a club you swing in a combination. Start thinking of it as a precision, long-range weapon. Every other move you make, your jab, your footwork, is purely in service of creating one clean, perfect opportunity to fire this one shot.
The drill, the pivot and fire. From your T stance, take one small pivot step to your right. The instant your foot lands, fire the straight left. Pivot, fire. Pivot, fire. You are training your body to understand that the dominant angle and the straight left are a single unified action. If you're ready to stop feeling awkward and start embracing your advantage, hit that subscribe button. This is where Southpaw specialists are built. You have your position and your primary weapon, but how do you control the fight? That is the job of your lead hand. The orthodox fighter will constantly try to establish their jab. You must make this impossible. Your lead hand has two critical jobs. Your lead hand is not a weapon. It is a shield and a saboteur. Its primary purpose is not to do damage, but to control and dismantle your opponent's offense before it even begins. The drill, the Parry and Pin Drill. Have a partner throw a slow, repeated jab at you. Your only job is to use your lead hand to do two things. First, parry it down, immediately creating an opening for your own straight left. Second, catch and pin it, momentarily trapping their arm while you create a new angle. If you control their lead hand, you control the entire fight. That is the operating system. Rule 1. The stance is a weapon to win the angle. Rule 2. The left hand is a sniper rifle to exploit the angle. Rule 3. The right hand is a shield to control the angle. This is the foundation of true southpaw boxing.
Which of these 3 roles will be your main focus in training this week? Let me know in the comments.
If you're ready to install this new software, subscribe now. And to see how to apply these rules with specific combinations, watch my video on southpaw combinations that actually work right here on the screen. It is the perfect next step. Train smart, stay ready.